Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle is a binary puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Monday, August the 5th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. It's time for the binary puzzle. Yeah, two puzzles are left: the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Okay. This one will be number 9033. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. That's a lot. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row there are always 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between two O's comes in 1. Well, and now double one, here no, there no. Between two double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. This is one I need to think. I'm stuck here. I'm stuck. Come on. Need to think now. We have here 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be no, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3. Well. Yeah. Can we compare? We have here 3 O's. Yeah. Double 1. This is almost the same. Well. Yeah, I need to compare, but which column, which row? Overlook this one. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Overlooked 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Overlooked. Between two ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 4 minutes. Well, it took me a lot of time. Without comparing, overlook this overlook this. Yes, sometimes you have that, and yeah, you're staring at a puzzle and you're looking for the digit, but we solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.